In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show related category posts in a single post template in WordPress Elementor. Showing related posts at the end of an article is a simple way to keep readers engaged and increase page views. Today, we'll set this up so that each post automatically displays other posts from the same category without you having to curate anything manually. I'll be using Elementor's theme builder and the posts widget, which are features available in Elementor Pro. Start by opening your WordPress dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Templates, then Theme Builder. Here, locate your active single post template, the one that controls how individual blog posts look across your site, and open it with the Elementor editor. In the editor, decide where you want the related posts to appear, typically beneath the post content or above the comments. In the Widgets panel, search for the Posts widget. Drag and drop it into the spot you chose. You'll see a list of posts appear right away, but we need to make the list context aware so it pulls items related to the current post. With the Posts widget selected, go to the Content tab and open the Query section. For source, choose Related. This tells Elementor to look for posts that share attributes with the one being viewed. Next, under Include By, select Term. In the term setting, choose categories. This ensures the widget only shows posts from the same category as the current post, which is perfect for keeping content tightly aligned with the reader's interests. Still in the query section, expand the exclude panel. Enable exclude current post. This prevents the post a visitor is already reading from appearing in the related list, which keeps the section clean and useful. Now refine the presentation. Open the Layout and Style tabs to adjust columns, the number of posts, image sizes, and typography. Consider a clean grid with 2 to 3 columns on desktop and a single column on mobile for readability. Choose a consistent image ratio to avoid layout shifts and keep titles scannable with clear typography. You can also tweak spacing, show or hide excerpts, and adjust metadata like date or author to match your design system. Aim for enough items to invite exploration. 3 to 6 is a good range, without overwhelming the reader. When everything looks right, click Update to save your template. These changes will apply across all posts that use this single post template, automatically showing related category posts on each article. And that's it. Your blog now smartly recommends relevant content, helping readers stay engaged longer.